Hi. I'm Sarah. So you're looking for a way to earn extra income? That's great news. Let me show you how. Offering a teeth whitening service is an excellent way to make money. You can charge between $150 and $300 for a 1-hour treatment. Teeth whitening is a multi-billion-dollar industry and is one of the most popular beauty services today. As Australia's largest supplier, we have helped thousands of people get started. So you will have the confidence of knowing you will be using the best products and equipment in the industry. You don't need any qualifications or experience. We cover everything. Our business starter kits are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get into teeth whitening. Your system will come with everything you need, including Australia's most comprehensive training. Don't know much about business? That's okay, you will have access to a step-by-step business and marketing guide. We help with marketing too. You will receive marketing material and a huge range of amazing social media ads. Want your own brand? Great! We can create private label products with your logo, at no additional charge. You are probably wondering, how good are the results? Will your clients be happy? The answer is yes, absolutely. Our clients achieve the maximum result possible with teeth whitening, a massive 5 to 14 shades whiter on untreated teeth. Our products are compliant with all Australian standards. We only offer the best products and equipment from the original equipment manufacturer with a 12-month Australian warranty. Not copies like found on shopping sites. You're probably wondering how much it costs to get started? We have a range of complete systems available to suit your needs and budget, with our most popular kit being $1,295. Need help with finance? We have 6 months interest-free finance available. You could be getting a return on your investment in a week. It only takes a handful of clients and you have paid for your entire setup. We ship fast. Starter kits are generally dispatched within 24 hours of receiving your order and payment. Got questions? Awesome! We love helping our clients. Give us a call, shoot us an email, or message us on social media today. Get in touch, or visit us online. You can create a free account with our website to gain instant access to wholesale pricing. You will be amazed at how easy it is to get started in teeth whitening and grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today.